cycles of gymnosperm. Cycadales originated in the Upper Triassic period of the early Mesozoic era, that is 200 million years ago, reached its peak during the mid-Mesozoic times and flourished during the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. After that, its decline started. At present, there are only 10 genera with 107 to 107 species that are restricted to Australia, South Africa, Central America, and Eastern Asia, including India. The extinct cycadales are available from the mid-Jurassic Canton Bay beds on the Yorkshire coast. In 1956, Sponny divided this order into two families, Nilsoniaceae and Cycadaceae. In the family Nilsoniaceae, he included all the fossil forms of this order, and in the Cycadaceae, he included one fossil and 10 living genera. In 1971, Bayer-Horst divided this order into three families, Cycadaceae, Stangeriaceae, and Jamiaceae. In the family Cycadaceae, he included cycas. In the family Stangeriaceae, he included Stingeria. In the family Jamiaceae, he included the genera Jamia, Lepidogramia, Macrogramia, Encephalotos, Dione, Microcycus, Bovinia, and Ceratogramia. The Cycadaceae include 10 living and 1 fossil genera. The fossil genus is Paleocycus. Its species is Paleocycus niger, described from Upper Triassic rocks of Sweden. The living genera of the family include Cycas with 20 species, Microcycus with 1 species, Jamia with 30 to 40 species, Lepidogramia with 2 species, Macrogramia with 14 species, Ceratogramia with 4 species, Encephalotus with 30 species, Dione with 3 species, Bovinia with 2 species, and Stingeria with 1 species. Total number of species included in this order are 107 to 117. Sponny in 1965 mentioned 9 genera and 65 species. Now we come on the distribution of order Cycadales. First we take the genera Cycas. This genre is distributed widely in the world. It is mainly distributed in the Australia, southern Japan, west to China, Madagascar, and India. These are the pictures of Cycas. The next genre is Stingeria. This genre is restricted to Southeast Africa. Take a look on the habit. This is the habit. This is the female cone of Stingeria. This is the tuber. You see the shape of the tuber, how it is. Then male cone. The third genus is Jamia. It is mainly found in Florida, West Indies, Mexico, northern parts of Southern America, and along the West China. This is the This is Jamia. This is the female corn, or ovules, male corn, and this is the microsporophyll of Jamia. On it, microsporangia are attached. And cephalotos, about 66 species are found in Southeast Africa. The genus Lepidogemia is endemic to Australia. Here you see the tree of the Lepidogemia and its leaves are coming out from the tree. These are pinnately compound leaves which are arranged in tercinate verniciation. This is female corn, this is male corn. The another genera, Dione, is found in Central America. This is the tree of Dione. This is female corn and male corn. Next genera, that is Bovenia. Bovenia confined to Australia. The other genera, Ceratogemia and Microcycus. Ceratogemia with 26 species in southern Mexico and Central America, whereas Microcycus with one species, it is found in Cuba. Here you have seen the leaves are all pinnated with a central leaf stalk from which parallel leaflets emerge from inside. The leaves are typically either compound or have edge, so deeply cut so as to appear compound. Some species have leaves that are bipinnate, which means the leaflets growing along the rachis each have their own sub-leaflets growing along a rachilla. And also the in the order Cycadales, or maximum species are dioecious. Thank you.